I should touch it.
Nicholas, it's all right. Really? You gonna throw a fit? Elizabeth, look, Mama, who's that?
Who?
Elizabeth's seeing herself on the camera.
No, she's not. She's being the other picture.
She's not. She's looking at herself. I can see it. You gonna read the book now? Are you done?
I want the book. I'll read. No, I want the book. Read.
You wanna read the book also?
I want you to read the book.
You want me to read the book? Okay.
Yeah.
Can you hit the red button on here?
Maybe.
You gotta hit it again.